Hello viewers, today I am going to tell you about how to create a login or registration form. Today I will tell you only a login form, and in further tutorial I will tell you how to make a registration form. First of all, you learn the attributes of form. Form is used to create an HTML form for user input. The form elements can contain one or more of the following form elements: input, label, button, text area, select, option, option group, field set, and output. So there is a lot of elements, so can't teach together. So I will take few of them relating to the small form of login. So what is the input? Input tag specifies input field where the user can enter data. Input element is the most important form element. Input element can be displayed in several ways depending on the type of input. Attributes. The different input types are as follows. In beginning, in advanced HTML, there are a lot of type of input. First is button, checkbox, color, date, time, local, email, file, hidden, image, number, month, password, radio, range, reset, search, submit, tell, text. Text is a default value. Always we take the information in form of text, then time, then URL, then week. So there are so many only the input type of the form. So we can't teach the form together in a one day. So today I will take some of the elements of the form through which you can make a form in a HTML. Look at the type attribute to see example for each input type. अब उसको हमने यहाँ पर बनाया है इनपुट टाइप टेक्स्ट आईडी फेम एफ नेम उस इनपुट की आईडी बना ली नेम उसका नाम रख दिया एफ नेम वैल्यू उसकी डिफॉल्ट वैल्यू रवि रख दी देन लेबल फॉर एल नेम अब लेबल क्या होता है लेबल जो होता है वो टेक्स्ट दिखाता है कि हम क्या चीज इनपुट करने जा रहे हैं फॉर एफ नेम दिस इज अ लेबल फॉर एफ नेम and what is a f name? F name is the first name of the person which we define with the input. So next is label L name. L name is for last name and input type is text id L name. L name is the name of the text field and the value is Shankar. Input type submit. Submit means कि whatever you have entered in the form, it will go to the specified space. So submit type of input and submit value when you say, then form will go to the action where there is a two type of method, post or action. So form action is I am sending the information to the mail to some person gmail.com. Suppose this is the email, and how we are sending with encrypted form. That is, for that you have to use application \x minus www minus form URL encoded. So it will go to the mail of Ratan in an encrypted form. If you click the submit button, the form data will be sent to the mail encrypted form. Now, what else the elements of the form? I told you about the input and label. Now the label is used with the text, checkbox, radio, file and password. And what is a checkbox and radio? Checkbox is a optional option through which you can select the value between 2, 3 or multiple choice, and radio is also same like a checkbox. Then action. Action means ki where you are sending your information. So action can take a mail, action can take a file name, action can take a address where you have to or URL where you have to send the information. So take the relative URL. रिलेटिव एंड एब्सोल्यूट यूआरएल में डिफरेंस होता है. एब्सोल्यूट यूआरएल मीन्स कि जिस फोल्डर में आप हो उसी में से इंफॉर्मेशन ले रहे हो, एंड रिलेटिव यूआरएल एंड एब्सोल्यूट यूआरएल क्या होता है कि वो स्टार्टिंग से एंड तक पूरा पाथ देना पड़ता है. जैसे इसमें देखिए दिया हुआ है http://example.com example.htm. तो पूरा पाथ लेना पड़ेगा आपको, तब वो फाइल रिट्रीव होगी, अदरवाइज नहीं होगी. और रिलेटिव यूआरएल में इफ यू हैव information in the same directory, then you can take the information by relative URL. Target. Target means where you want to open your file output. So there are 4 types of target: blank, self, parents and top. Blank means it will open new window. Self means display the same frame, and parents means it will display in parent frame. Parent frame means कि एकदम स्टार्टिंग का जो फ्रेम आपने बनाया, विंडो बनाया. टॉप मीन्स रिस्पॉन्स इज डिस्प्ले इन द फुल बॉडी ऑफ द विंडो फ्रेम. देन come method. Method means there are 2 type of method to send the information to the people. There is get and post. The method attribute is specified how to send from data. The form data is sent to the page specified in the action attribute. ऐसे जब जो हमने दिखाया अभी कि ईमेल में हम अपनी इंफॉर्मेशन को भेज रहे हैं. The form data can be sent as URL variable with method get or as a HTTP post transaction with method post. Get append from data into the URL in the name value pairs. The length of URL is limited, about 3000 characters. Never use get to send sensitive data. Will be visible in the URL. Useful for form submission where a user want to bookmark the result. Get it better from non-secure data like a query string in a Google Note. So if the data is not precious, then only use the get. Not sensitive, then you use get, otherwise use the post. Append from data inside the body of HTTP request. Data is not shown in the URL. जो data आप डालते हो वो URL में नहीं दिखता. Has no size limitation. Form submission with post cannot be bookmarked. The response is displayed in the named iframe. Button. Next attribute is button. The button tag defines the clickable button. When all the things you do, then if you won't use the button, then you can't send the information to anyone, and action will not activate since you press the button. Inside a button element you can put text, tag like I, strong, BR, image, etc. I is for italic, strong is for bold type of character, BR is for break, ING is for image. This is not possible with the button created with the input element. ये सारी चीजें आप बटन के साथ नहीं डाल सकते कि इमेज टैग लगा दिया, आई टैग लगा दिया, स्ट्रॉन्ग लगा दिया, ये सब नहीं कर सकते हैं. Always specify the type attribute for button element to tell the browser what type of button it is. You can easily style the button with use of CSS. Now see, here I used submit button, type submit, value submit. Method use किया है pose because I want the sensitive data to send to someone, and I am using action mail to Ratan AG gmail.com encrypted application x-www form URL code. Now you want to see how it is working. Control B, then you will get the form, and because I have already given the information here, so it will give the Ravi and Shankar. You can also change the information then submit. Submit, the form is being submitted using email. Okay कर दिया. Then it will find the email and send the information to the person whose email you have specified there. So it is always open in browser. So this is the all today regarding to the form. I told each and everything. You have to specify repeating it. Form, method, post, action, mail, and and encrypted type. You define the place where it is encrypted. Then label for what? For f name. From where you get the f name, you have defined the f name with the text type, and then write label first name, label, and BR. BR means ki you are displaying your data on next line, display on the next line. By pressing BR you will get enter. Here you see फर्स्ट नेम, इसके बाद यहाँ पर टेक्स्ट नीचे आ गया है. अगर आप BR नहीं लगाते तो टेक्स्ट नीचे नहीं आता. करके चाहे देख लीजिए. इसको हटा देते हैं, कंट्रोल X, सॉरी, delete, control B. Now this will come in front of first name if you won't put the BR. Same way you can remove BR from this place also and press Ctrl B. So you will get the first name and last name, and submit. Submit, I used the submit type of button, and as we submit that, it will come to the action and post the information to the email. Whatever you XYZ email you want, you can put there. Suppose Ravi is doing something, so write Ravi SH. You can change and then save it and run it. So here you have to write Ravi and submit. Okay, so it will go to the mail. If it is a correct mail, then it will search and send the information to the mail. It is not getting the URL because I have made the email only, and So this is the way to do the login, to make a login form, and you get the information through it. Next turn I will tell all type of input type, so you will learn how to use the input type in form. Today just I am introducing the form, to how to create the form and work in it. So thank you viewers for seeing my video, and please subscribe and share to promote my video.